A man checked his smart doorbell at midnight. The screen showed a figure standing still outside. He blinked once. The person on the camera blinked too, but he was watching from inside. His heart raced as he glanced back at the screen, wondering if it was just a trick of the light or something far more sinister. The figure remained eerily still, and a chill crawled down his spine. With each step, doubt crept into his mind. Was this a prank or something far worse? He couldn't shake the feeling that the figure was watching his every move.